This 2012 Forest River Lexington 265DS is a Class B+ RV. It is located in Festus, Missouri, 63028 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, St. Louis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B+ features rear bedroom. This 2012 Forest River Lexington 265DS is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.